We have a storm that's rolling in. I think you can see out in the water where the rain is. You can see the difference in the color of the water where the rain's hitting the water. And it has started here on the deck. You can see the raindrops. Oh, you're fine. I was in the hot tub when it started, so I jumped out and dried off real quick. Other people have been on their loungers, and I'm going to walk out here so you can see it a little better. Oh, I don't know if you can see it or not. There's a rainbow. See the rainbow right there? We've had 4 rainbows in the last hour. A little over an hour, and they all end in the water right in front of our ship. Whew, yeah, it's blowing in. There is not much that's more interesting to watch than a storm roll in off the water. You can see how close it is right there, and it is literally right here to the ship. So cool. And there it is, getting hit by it. I'm going to back up under the awning. Run! I hope you can see how big the raindrops are. They are huge. All right, I just wanted you to be able to see the rainstorm that was rolling in off the water over our ship. Wish you could travel with Tom and Melissa.